I am Dre Arias, your Mr. Gay World Philippines 2026.
Thank you so much. Yeah, the stars are aligned, sabi nga nila.
I'm speechless. Maraming salamat po. I have waited for this time. I have always known that this is gonna be my ultimate since I was like in college because I have look up to Japet Raimundo. He's my pioneer sa Bulacan State University po. And I'm really proud na achieve ko yung pinapangarap ko.
It was a flawless move sa lahat, di ba? From the start that you came out sa ating mong conversation and until this night, it was a flawless winning.
I would not say flawless. Sorry din po sa pagsagot ko kanina kasi medyo personal yung naging tanong kanina kaya nanginginig yung boses natin. But I wish I delivered. Sana po nakita ng mga tao yun at sana po naintindihan po yung gusto ko pong iparating sa kanila.
But it's okay, the totality of you is already a winner. Di ba? How does it feel now? Medyo siguro ilang minuto pa lang at nasa iyo na ang corona. How do you feel right now? Are you already putting that already in your head or medyo lutang-lutang pa is life?
I'll be honest po na sa lahat po ng mga loss ko, I'm clapping for everyone na nakukuha yung mga gusto ko pong win. I am really clapping and celebrating their win. Although, of course, sa lahat ng yon, I was sad for myself while celebrating everyone. And I didn't know this was the feeling. Sobrang fulfilling niyo po. And I'm just really proud, hindi lang sa sarili ko, kundi po sa mga taong tumulong sa akin. Sa team ko po, sa advocacy, lahat po ng mga tao nag-prepare ng mga oras nila, ng effort nila para sa akin. Kasi hindi po ako mananalo kung wala po akong designer, wala po ako makeup artist, wala pong mga tao nag-train sa akin para mas mahasa po yung communication skills ko. Lahat po sila yung ingredient kung bakit ako nanalo. I would never like really assume na kaya lang ako nanalo kasi dahil lang sa performance ko tonight, alam ko maraming tao naniniwala po sa akin.
Lastly, people will gonna say that worth it yung pag came out mo as now a gay man. So, what is your message na lang doon sa mga tao na takot pang lumabas? Para, I think you're inspiration to everyone na lumabas na at makuha ang kanilang mga pangarap sa buhay.
I would stand by my first interview with you, Miss Ten. No pressure. Hindi mo kailangan madalain yung sarili mo. If you have the courage to face your fears, do it. Pero kung natatakot ka pa, huwag ka mag-alala. Hindi mo kailangan mag-out. You don't owe anyone your identity. Nandito kami. Nandito lahat ng mga tao nagsusuporta sa'yo. Makakahanap ka ng culture ng chosen families. Nandito kami. Hawak-hawak tayo. Sama-sama po tayo.
Again, congratulations, Ray, for winning Mr. Gay World Philippines 2026. We're so happy for you and enjoy your journey here. And we will be waiting for you for Mr. Gay World International.
Thank you po, Ms.
Thank
Ben.
you.